Hey, if you're seeing this on October 31st, then this message is for you. Happy Halloween. Here we go. I have a channeled message for you from Spirit, and I'm hearing that about 90% of you watching this, you're resonating. You're like, okay, I know you're gonna tell me something I need to hear. Then we have about 98% of you who are just kind of watching because you're bored and you're kind of curious what I'm gonna say. Then there's the 2% of you that are challenging me and you're like, I want to prove you wrong. And you're almost like annoyed that I'm even on your For You page. This applies to 100% of you. And for the other small portion of you guys, this is gonna hit you later on. So you might wanna save this so you can come back, okay? Because it's gonna surprise you. So here's the message we have for today. Today, you will hear from us in a personal way. Okay, that's your spirit guide saying that. Today, you will hear from us in a personal way. And then I saw a bunch of images. I saw 1111, I saw angel wings, I saw feathers, and I saw ladybugs. Okay, so that might be something that you saw today leading up to when you're seeing this video, or it could be something that you're gonna see later on today after watching this video, okay? 1111, wings, feathers, ladybugs, okay? And then they said, take note, we love you, okay? And we encourage you to come connect with us more often, okay? So that's what this is about. Spirit saying, we're always with you. Some of you guys, maybe you're doubting that your spirit guides, maybe you're questioning, like, is this even real? Are we just here on this planet Earth just existing and then we pass away, nothing's after this? Some of you are wondering that. Some of you are kind of going through that and you want proof. You're like, if you really are helping me out through my life, where are you right now? Where are you? And how come it's not better? And they're saying, we hear you. We love you. We're with you. And these are some signs that you're gonna see today, within 24 hours, to show that we really are with you. But what we'd really love is for you to connect with us more often, because you're not connecting with us. You're not speaking to us. And you need to kind of tune out the outside noise and get into your body so you can feel what we're telling you. Because we talk to you, but it's very subtle, okay? It's that intuition you get whenever there's no emotion attached to it. It's that still small voice. It's that small knowing with no emotion attached to it. Now, of course, you might get a knowing and then eventually that will create an emotion, right? Like if you know you're gonna win the lottery, you might just have this knowing and then you're gonna get maybe a little bit excited, but that initial knowing is gonna come with no emotion, okay? So pay attention. That's a really good way to tell between anxiety and intuition. But that's what you need to hear, okay? Let me know if it resonates. Make sure to follow me. I'll see you guys tomorrow.